Hey, redneck tools. Here's redneck spatula. What? Perfect. Redneck spatula. Back scratcher slash bacon fork. Watch your people cook bacon.
Yeah. I've cooked bacon.
Remember back in the day? When you get back, bacon splatters all the time. You know, that way you get back from the bacon. See, you flip it.
Ah, yeah, because it's not, you know.
Next up, through the miracle of the good people at the Duct Tape Company, and a little looking glass. Know what that is?
This is hemorrhoid checker.
Yeah, exactly what it is. No, there's a clean back here. There's a bird nest at the house. Sure enough, on my light.
I seen it. Saw it the other day.
We'll see. It's got eggs in it now. You look see. I got a video of it. Of me using a look see. There's eggs, 4 eggs.
That's where you
get all kinds of uses for this.
Check your gutters.
Check your gutters. That's right. I already patent this in here, right here. The look see. Redneck tape measure. Because 90% of the time you need a tape measure, you really don't need to know the exactness of it. Hey, I wonder if that refrigerator will fit through that door you're moving. You go get your string, put it on the refrigerator, then you go put it on the door. You don't need to measure nothing if you don't happen to have a tape measure. Most of the time you just use a string. Right. We'll get to this. We'll get to it.
No, the thing below it.
All these here? Oh yeah, how about that? That there is what you, yeah, these are gold.
Pizza cutter.
Pizza cutter, yeah.
You took the top of a can.
Yeah, top of a can, yeah.
Screwed it to a daggone da-da-da there.
That's it. And it cut a pizza just as slick as a whistle.
That's that redneck chopsticks looking stuff.
Yeah, that's what you call that.
Yeah, look at that.
That's for us people who don't know how to do chopsticks good.
That was right.
You got it.
Man, you take those to Benihana's. And don't go there and embarrass yourself using a fork. Take some redneck chopsticks. Yeah. Fit right in.
Exactly. These here are what you call rolling pin. My grandma, she lived to be almost 100 years old. She always used an old milk bottle. Yeah, you make yourself some homemade biscuits. Yeah, that's a homemade rolling pin, see? Or you can use a 2-liter. I just like to use the cold beer. It won't stick to it as much. Put some flour on there. Just roll her away. And of course you'll have to drink it after. But along those lines, and then that brings you in here. You know what that is?
Is it a can of beans?
This is a biscuit cutter. This is your biscuit cutter. See?
Look at that, yeah.
You roll it all out. Then you cut your biscuits with the biscuit cutter.
You don't need a tape measure. You don't need a rolling pin. You don't need a authentic biscuit cutter.
No.
Stuff around the house.
These things are good for going boating with or something. Good weatherproof, sealed containers.
And they float, so if something falls out, you got it.
People use these as chip clips that come off the old coat hangers, you know?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so there's one problem, see, with this. You gotta be careful because when you're doing this.
Oh man, you cut yourself. Easy.
Here, huh?
Easy. Look at that. Oh,
that's dangerous stuff right there. You got it on your thing? I think I'll buy you another. No, but here is a trick, see. Get you a towel, snap it off.
There it is.
Break it off real good. That way the plastic don't cut you.
Protect your hand.
Don't cut your hand. But sure enough, now that is an issue. It'll break even. But these are awesome chip clips. Here's one for the road. Get yourself a drill. Chuck in a pair of scissors. Makes for a nice little mixer, see?